Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for October 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see Capricorn, what's coming to you October 2024. Okay, you have second house, Pluto in Leo. Wow. Okay, Pluto is the planet of transformation, change, power. So it's in your second house of money, finances. So maaring may mga changes na mangyayari, transformation when it comes to your mga ari-arian mo, no? Mga valuables or mga let's say meron ka mga bahay, no? Bahay, lupa, resources mo, pwedeng you will generate more income ngayong October or maaring may magbabago sa pamamaraan mo para kumita ng pera. Let's say from having your own job, like example, nagtatrabaho ka para sa iba, and then may magbabago, pwedeng uh, magta-transition ka from an employee to become an entrepreneur, no? Yung negosyante. Baka magnenegosyo ka. Some of you, itong negosyo na gagawin nyo or sisimulan ninyo, related to sa creativity ninyo. Maaring you are starting to discover your creative talents, yung creative skills mo, and it's going to change how you generate income. Okay? So example na lang dyan yung mga nagti-TikTok, no? Yung mga successful na content creators, na dati sila ay ano lang, let's say nag-work sa company and then nag-start sila mag-create ng contents online and then naka-generate sila ng following, dumami yung views nila, and eventually nag full-time sila sa content creation. So, that's what I'm seeing for some of you. Pwede ring iba't ibang industry yan, okay? But I'm seeing a major shift in the way you earn money. Mm-mm. I think mas ano ka ngayon, mas confident ka sa gagawin mo, confident ka sa career mo, sa trabaho mo, sa kung paano ka kumita ng pera. And yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong mga a-acquire na mga properties ngayong October that will add, parang magdadagdag sa inyong sources of income. Let's say, makakabili ka ng condo, bahay, lupa, tapos parerentahan mo para mag-generate siya ng income. So, very transformational for you ang finances mo ngayong October. Especially that Pluto, yung Pluto talaga sa astrology ngayon, yung transit, nasa Capricorn siya. So, bumalik siya sa Capricorn. Hanggang November yan of 2024, babalik siya sa Aquarius. Doon na talaga siya for so many years. But I think isa sa mga itatransform sa inyo ay yung inyong finances. The way you handle money, the way you generate income. Okay? So, transformational yan. Endings and new beginnings din. Pwedeng meron kang bibitawan na trabaho, career, business, na para meron kang mas bigyan ng attention. Kasi mas worth it yon for you. You also have detox. O, yung iba sa inyo, nagtatanggal ng unnecessary things sa bahay nyo. Pwedeng decluttering, paglilinis, pagtatanggal ng toxins sa katawan. Pwede rin sa health nyo ito. Or digital detox na iiwas muna kayo sa social media, hindi kayo masyado na magiging active para mas makapag-focus kayo sa mga goals ninyo. Oh my God! Oh, you have the egg, which is birth. Oh, meron new beginnings. This makes sense kasi may Pluto dyan. So, may bagong simula. Kaya siguro nag-aano ka, yung meron ditong detox kasi meron kang nire-release. Nire-release na anything that is no longer serving your highest good. Anything toxic sa buhay mo to start something new. Mm-mm. sleeping man unconscious. I feel like some of you maaring marami kayong mga natutuklasan sa inyong sarili na mga bagay na hindi kayo aware about yourself. So, pwedeng natutuklasan nyo yung inyong iba pang galing, talento, abilities. Some of you naman, maaring nagkakaroon kayo ng vivid dreams. Nagiging parang itong mga dreams na to nagbibigay sa inyo ng uh, clarity about a certain situation. Minsan ganun na sa panaginip mo, dun mo makikita yung sagot sa tanong mo. Oo. Oh, di ba? Natutulog na naman, Capricorn. You're going to take a rest. Magpapahinga ka, no? Ngayong October. You will also recover from anything that is keeping you parang unwell. Lalo na kung kayo ay nagkaroon ng karamdaman, no, nagkasakit kayo. I feel like itong detoxification na to is part of you na nagki-cleanse ka ng body mo physically. Oo. Some of you may mga bakasyon ngayong October. Oh, masaya yan. You also have the sun. Wow. The sun is about your confidence, energy. Parang binabalik mo yung iyong lakas through detoxification and through resting, 'di ba? Na yung kapag tayo masyadong naging busy at binigyan niya natin yung time yung sarili natin na makapagpahinga. So it's like we are recharging. So for some of you ngayong October, mas mas maraming energy. Wow, you have the world. I see travel opportunities for you. Pwedeng international travels. The world is also a completion. So maaring merong matatapos na kontrata, let's say business or chapter sa buhay mo na natatapos siya kasi hanggang doon na lang, no? Kumbaga, meron kang na-complete na task or meron kang na-achieve na goal. So, it's like ending kasi na-achieve mo na eh. So, yun na yun. Yun na yung resulta na hinihintay mo. And that means na you have the opportunity to start something new in your life. You have the Eight of Swords, which is frustration, anxiety. So, maaring some of you, itong transition, itong transformation na nagaganap na to, maaring makapagbigay ito sa inyo ng anxiety, frustration, overthinking. So, iwasan nyo na lang, no? At mag-focus kayo dun sa goal ninyo, more on meditation, praying, and resting. Sa inyong money, career, finances, meron ditong Five of Cups, merong losses talaga. Some of you may be letting go of an old career or job or business para sa bago. But of course, yung iba, medyo mahihirapan kayo kasi lalo na kung hindi nyo pa nakikita yung purpose nun sa buhay ninyo. Let's say, yung iba sa inyo, ayaw na sa work kasi nasa stress na kayo. Yung iba nag-resign out of the blue kasi gusto nyong makaalis na sa toxic situation. But sa totoo lang, ayaw nyo naman talaga mawala ng work. So it's like a way of kailangan mong may i-release para meron sa yung maibigay. You get my point? Sa love life, you have the Ten of Cups. So there's happiness, contentment. When it comes to your family, I see you na spending more time with your family. Kung meron ka ng mga anak, maaring you will spend more time with your kids. Ngayong October, you also have enterprise. Yung iba sa inyo, Capricorn, merong business na sisimulan or bibigyan ng focus ngayong October. Example, nagsa-start na yung business mo, matagal na. So you will focus on that. Nagpapalawak kayo ng inyong connections. You also have Mercury in Scorpio in the 8th house. So medyo mag-ingat kayo sa mga taong mag-o-offer sa inyo ng business, investments na parang pinipilit kayo kasi parang red flag yan eh. So dapat naiintindihan nyo yung papasukin nyo bago kayo mag-commit. And of course, Capricorn, you will also focus on your health, practicing self-love, self-care, being more, parang living a healthier lifestyle. Ganon. So, maaring isa rin yan sa changes na gagawin mo ngayong October. You will start to be more conscious about your health. Gain knowledge by surrendering to the universal flow. Wow. So, I think you are more open sa mga bagong ideas, sa mga bagong pwede mong matutunan that will help you improve your situation, your life, your career, your relationship. Okay. So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye.